morning, everyone. Welcome to your math class. Miss Anna here. I'm really happy to start this new week with you this morning. Okay, so let's prepare our best attitude. Get ready with your materials. Give your best effort and let's learn something. Okay, now that you are ready to learn, we are going to start. Remember that the first step in our math class is our agenda. Okay, so the topic that we are going to learn today is something really easy that I really like, and it's a tool. It's about a math tool that you are going to learn how to use it. The topic for today is adding using the number line. We already know that adding is to put together two groups. Okay, we have one part, we have another part, and then we put it together. And in this occasion, well, we are going to learn how to use the number line. At the end of this unit, you're going to be able to tell Miss Anna, I can add using the number line, okay? You will see that this is really easy. The agenda for today. First, Miss Anna will explain what the number line is, how to add using the number line. Then we're going to practice with some hands-on activities. And after that, at the end of this video, you will find an independent work. Remember that this independent work, you can find it in the description box of this video. Also, you will find it in Microsoft Teams, or you can copy the exercises in your notebook. Okay? So the material that you need for this lesson are manipulatives if you want. The number line, this one you will find it in your yellow envelope that we checked at the beginning of the year, where you can find all your math material. You can find this number line that you can use right now, or in the description box you will find another one. You will need your pencil, eraser, and some markers, like whiteboard markers if you have, or water markers if you have those. And also you need your math notebook or the worksheet that I am telling you. Okay, so the first step over here in this topic or in this lesson is that I want you to meet my new friend. This little friend likes a lot of things, okay? He is Jimmy the Rabbit. Jimmy the Rabbit will help us in these topics where we have to use the number line. Why? Because first, he loves carrots, okay? That's great. He loves carrots. Raise your hand if you like carrots. Miss Anna likes carrots. Okay, also he loves math as Miss Anna, and maybe as you. If you love math, you look like Jimmy Rabbit. He loves math. And the last thing is that he loves to jump on the number line to add. He will help us learn about how to add using the number line. So let's start. The first thing is that we are going to learn about the number line. What do you think the number line is? Listen carefully. Number line. What do you think it is? Excellent. This one is a number line. Really simple. It's a line with numbers, okay? You can find different number lines from 0 to 10, from 0 to 100, to 0 to 20, okay? There are many number lines, but right now this one is from 0 to 20. And we will be using from 0 to 10 and from 0 to 20. Really simple, the number line, a line with numbers. Another thing that you need to learn in this topic is that we are adding. Adding means that we are putting together. And when we are using the number line, you need to remember that you jump to the right. Okay, when we are adding, we jumped to the right. Remember that, okay? Very good. Now, let's see how does Jimmy add on the number line. He has a way that he wants to show us. So let's check it out. First, he prepares his number line. Do you have your number line ready? Very good, just like Jimmy. Okay, then he checks the addition number sentence, and he has 4 plus 2 equals, and we don't know the answer. So we will use the number line to find out the answer. Let's see. First, well, we always have to follow some steps. So let's see. The first step over here is that we need to check the first number. Can you tell me which one is the first number? Very good. The first number is the number 4. The first number always tell us where to stand up on the number line. Okay? The first number will tell you where to stand up on the number line. So the number 4 is this one. That means that we have to look for the number 4 on the number line and we have to stand up over there. And we can show it with a carrot because our friend Jimmy likes carrots. Then the second number that it's inside a square, can you tell me which number it is? Very good. That's the number 2. The second number is telling us how many times we need to jump. And remember that we jump to the right because we are adding. Okay? So this time we are going to jump 2 times. Ready? From number 4, we start counting 1 jump and 2 jumps. And then Jimmy stopped on number 6. That means that 4 plus 2 is equal 6. Very good. I know that in the computer it looks like different, but right now look at the screen very carefully because Miss Anna will show you a hands-on video. So let's see. Okay, over here I have different examples that we are going to work all together. But first remember that we need our number line. This one is the one that you can find in your yellow envelope, or you can print out another one if you want. This one is covered with plastic, so that means that you can use markers and then erase it. So we can practice different examples, or you can use it in class. Now, let's see. Miss Anna print out different number lines that we are going to use for 3 examples that we are going to solve. The first example is this one, and it's showing 5 plus 2 equals, and we don't know the answer. That is what we want to find out using the number line. And we are going to use the method that Jimmy just showed us. So remember, the first number, this one, tells you where to stand up on the number line. Yes? So we have to find or look for the number 5. Is this number 5? No. Is this number 5? No. Is this number 5? Yes. So we stand up on number 5. Now, the second number, this one, tells me how many times I need to jump. So we need to jump how many times? 2 times. Ready? We are going to jump 1 and 2. And we are standing on number 7. That means that 5 plus 2 is equals 7. Very good. Let's make another example. Ready? We have our addition and we have our number line. And it says 6 plus 4 is equals, and we want to find out the answer. Remember, the first number is telling us how many times, where do we need to stand up, The first number tells us where do we need to stand up. So we need to find for the number 6. 4, 5, and here I can find the number 6. And the second number is telling us how many times we need to jump. So ready? We will jump 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we end at the number 10. Excellent. So 6 plus 4 is equal 10. Very good. Excellent. Let's make our last example. Are you ready? This one is easy peasy. We have 2 plus 3 is equals, and we have to find out the answer. So the first number is telling me where to stand up. So I have to find the number 2. This one is easy. Here is the number 2. And the second number tells me how many times I need to jump. So I need to jump how many times? Excellent. 3 times. So ready? We're going to jump. 1, 2, and 3. And we stopped at number 5. That means that 2 plus 3 is equal 5. Excellent. Something important that you need to remember in this topic, yes, is that you have to jump from one number to the other one. Be careful with that. Sometimes you jump from the number to the middle of the other number. So that won't work. Remember, from one number to the other one, okay? The first number tells me where to stand up, and the second number tells me how many times I need to jump. Excellent. Now it's time for your exit ticket. You are going to print or copy the following worksheet on your notebook, okay? What are you going to do? You are going to solve the following additions and you will show your work in the number line, okay? I know that it's really easy to add with your fingers, it's really easy to add with your pom-poms or your manipulatives, but in this case, we are learning how to use the number line. So that means that you need to show your work using the number line. Is that clear? Excellent. Remember, once you finish your work, you're going to take a picture of it and you're going to upload it to this assignment. Then you're going to click on the Turn In or Entregar button in the assignment so I can check it out. Great job, kids. We had a great time together. Remember, math is practice and practice makes perfect. So remember to practice every day and to have fun using math. Very good. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.